Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jay Risk and I'm here for Cabinet Trends and Design, and right now we are at the Lee Civic Center and we're doing a trade show where homeowners, contractors, and the regular consumers show up. We're doing really well, and I can tell you right now, we're about to take off. We just launched our revolutionary website, which at home you too can look at cabinets, build a cart, and buy your own kitchen or bathroom from scratch, fully customizable, and it will be delivered to your home. So please check us out online, cabinettrendsanddesign.com. That's cabinettrendsanddesign.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, guys, and good luck with your home.